Creating chart of accounts records one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your account list is already in Excel, CSV, accountant templates, old company file exports, or another accounting system. This is common during new company setup, migration, account restructuring, or when you need to bring in account names, account types, account numbers, and opening balances. Instead of creating each account manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import chart of accounts data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import chart of accounts into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Select Account. This is used to import chart of accounts data into QuickBooks Desktop. Next, browse and select your prepared chart of accounts file from your system. If you need a clean file format, you can click Sample Templates and prepare your account file using the SaasAnt template. I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks account fields. Once the file is added, continue to the mapping screen. If you want to save this mapping for future chart of accounts imports, click Add or Save Mapping. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields such as name, account type, account number, description, opening balance, and currency code are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, review the account data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to control account and class creation and how SaasAnt finds accounts or classes. Review the settings and click Save if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the chart of accounts data into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the result summary. Here you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors if any. If any record fails, fix the error and re-import the corrected record. To verify the imported account, go back to QuickBooks Desktop, open the chart of accounts, and search for the imported account. You can also download the import result for your records. Use Undo if you need to roll back the imported chart of accounts data. That's how you can import chart of accounts into QuickBooks Desktop in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.